said no. No, you don't need to.
Why are you throwing up all over the place? You spit all over my pillow now. Yeah, you did.
I don't care. No.
Stop it, stop it. No, no.
I need to buy me some more paper
Zozo. Hey. Oh,